Imagine this, you're sipping champagne in first class, cruising at 35,000 feet, and you only paid a few $100s for that luxury. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not, and today I'll show you exactly how I use my rent payments to rack up hundreds of thousands of frequent flyer points every year without spending $1 more than I already do. Curious? Let's dive in. G'day, I'm Cal, your go-to guide for frequent flyer points and premium travel. If you're all about turning everyday expenses into travel gold, hit that like and subscribe button. It's free and it helps me bring you more insider tips. Now, just a heads up, I'm not a financial advisor and this video isn't financial advice. Always double check that this strategy works for your situation before jumping in. Let's face it, paying rent is one of the biggest expenses most of us deal with every month. Thousands of dollars leave your account for, well, just living. But what if the same rent payment could work harder for you? What if, with a tiny adjustment, you could turn it into a passport to premium travel? Here's the deal. You can pay your rent using a frequent flyer credit card to earn points on every dollar spent. And if you use this method to meet the spending requirements for sign-up bonuses, the rewards skyrocket. Now, I know what you're thinking. My real estate agent doesn't accept credit card payments, or my credit card doesn't count BPay payments as eligible spend. Well, that's where my not-so-secret weapon comes in, SNIIP. No, this isn't a sponsored video, although SNIIP, if you're watching, call me. SNIIP is a super easy app that allows you to pay your bills via a credit card, even if the merchant doesn't take cards directly. That includes rent payments via BPay, which most real estate agents accept. And if they don't, a quick chat with your property manager usually does the trick. By the way, if you're keen to try it, I've popped a referral code in the description that gets us both $10 off our next bill when you sign up. Win-win. Let's put this into perspective. According to recent rental data, the median rent in Melbourne is now $550 a week. That's about $2,384 a month. Here's how the strategy works. Let's say you sign up for the ANZ Qantas Platinum card, which offers a massive 75,000 bonus points when you spend $2,500 in the first 3 months. Your first rent payment gets you just shy of that target, but throw in the small SNIIP fee of 1.5% and you've spent $2,419 in month 1. Boom, one more rent payment and you've hit the spending requirement. That unlocks 75,000 bonus points and you'll also earn 0.75 Qantas points per dollar spent on the card. Over the year, that's another 22,500 points just from rent payments alone. By the end of your lease, you're sitting at 97,500 Qantas points. That's enough to book a premium flight worth thousands of dollars. Now, let's talk about fees, because nothing in life is completely free. SNIIP charges 1.5% per transaction, which adds up to about $35.76 a month in this example. Then there's the credit card's annual fee of $295. So all up, you're looking at $724.12 for the year at a cost of 0.7 cents per point. But here's the kicker. Those points you earned, they can be redeemed for flights valued anywhere from 3 to 12 cents per point. Do the math and you're getting premium travel worth far more than what you spent. For example, that 97,500 points could score you a business class flight to Asia valued at $3,000 or more. Talk about bang for your buck. Now here's where you can really supercharge this. If you've got a partner or a housemate, you can both take turns applying for new frequent flyer cards every 2 to 3 months. By combining forces, you're doubling the sign-up bonuses, all while just paying your rent. Over a year, this simple rotation nets us hundreds of thousands of points, enough to book multiple business and first class flights. And the best part, the costs are minimal compared to the rewards. Still not convinced? Let's talk value. With these points, you can experience things like lounging in 5-star airport lounges, flying in lie-flat bed seats with gourmet meals, and skipping the stress of economy altogether. And the best part, you're funding all of this just by paying your rent, something you're already doing. So, what do you think? Are you ready to turn your rent payments into first-class tickets? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have. Remember, if you're thinking it, someone else probably is too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you at the pointy end.